Okay, thank you so much. Once again, that was okay. Before we mo i-blow yung candle, Merry Christmas everyone. Kantahan. Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. One more time. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, princess! Blow your candle now, make a wish. Once again, happy birthday, princess! Ato pakpakan. Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Okay, so mag-hihiri ang tag-inedri sa buffet. Then after an apatay, part 2 sa among program for the birthday celebration of our birthday celebration.
My love, the princess, anak ko, advice ni Mami na sana mas lalo mo pang galingan. Kasi alam ko magaling ka na eh. I'm so proud of you. And ipagpatuloy mo lang yung paggalang mo sa mga nakakatanda, sa kapwa, at pagmamahal mo sa kapwa. Importante yun. At lagi mong iisipin na dito lang si Mami para sa iyo at sa mga kapatid mo. Okay? I love you so much na gagawin ni Mami ang lahat para sa inyo. I love you.
Thank you so much. That was Mami Bell Montalban Astenas. Okay, mga silingan.